So guys, let's do a quick analysis on our stock markets for this week. But please, before you go, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, to like this video, share and comment, even comment if you want. So by the way, now let's get started. We will be analyzing our Nasdaq, our S&P 500, our WI, our Russell 2000, QQQ, and we'll get started. We'll analyze it, and I'm going to put time snaps stamp so you can watch it the one that you want. So now we have our Nasdaq 100. For this, we are going to be analyzing from our weekly time frame. As we can see now, we can see that our Nasdaq 100 has actually been falling, by the way. So this week we actually had a fall, right? So about last week we had a push up. So the week that just passed, we are actually having a fall. So probably this week also, I am still seeing a fall. By the way, I am still seeing that our price still fall on my weekly time frame. That my price still fall, and it is my liquidity area here. That should be falling. I think I should be seeing a fall of about 5% this week. That is what I'm looking at. Currently, we are at about 12,549. So I am seeing that our price still fall at least to about 11,906. So we are actually going to be seeing a fall this week on our Nasdaq 100. On our weekly time frame, we are still on a fall. We saw this year as a pullback, and definitely we are still on a fall, dropping back, because I don't think our Nasdaq 100 will start going bullish anytime soon. I don't think so. We are still on a fall. Let's try and go short. It's about 3 to 5% percentage on our Nasdaq 100. Now on our daily time frame, we can see our price has pushes up. So definitely we are going to be waiting here for our price to break below this area here. If our price can break below it, then definitely it will be a good opportunity to actually take your buy position. Let me zoom it. You can see when our price breaks below it, that should be about 12,418. Currently we are at 12,549. If you can break below 12,418, then good opportunity to actually take your shorting position. Just sell our Nasdaq 100. And if our price does not break below it, then definitely we will continue seeing this how do I call it, this ranging movements, whereby our price will push up, then we will see a bullish move. The next day we will see a bearish move. We might be seeing something like something like this that we are seeing here. This directionless movement, where our price is actually ranging between this area here. We can possibly see something like that this week, and if we don't see something like that, then definitely we will be breaking below it. We will break below this 4,000, 12,410 that we are aiming. If you can break below it, then actually take your short position. And if it not, then I'll say wait, because we'll be seeing something like a drop. I don't believe that our Nasdaq 100 will actually be going bullish. I don't believe it, and I don't think it will happen. So that's why I stay away from it. So on our 4-hour time frame, we can see it here. You can see here as like a double top. We saw a tap 1, we saw a tap 2, we are actually now seeing a 4. That is why I said wait for our price to actually break below this our candlestick wick. If our price can break below it, then it will be a perfect opportunity to actually take your buy position, your sell position, to actually take your sell position straight downward. And if not, we might be seeing something like a ranging market that we are talking about, we just previously talked about, whereby our price will actually be ranging about around this area here. I don't believe we will be breaking above and going up. I still believe we are still on a downward trend. Trend will actually be breaking, but this week we might be seeing a ranging market here. So that is it on our Nasdaq 100. Now we have our S&P 500. We will be going on our weekly time frame. We can see S&P 500. We can see we had a drop, right? I am still also seeing here as a retracement. We saw a pullback. Guess what we are waiting for? We are actually waiting for a drop again, probably to give us a double bottom before we actually now see a push up. But above all, the week that just passed, we saw a bearish move, which was very small. It was not much. Definitely this week we will be seeing our price still dropping, by the way. And let's drop and take out this our wick till around, let's say 3902, 3902. That is, if you have to take a shorting position to 3902, that would be about 5%. You can see 5% to get if you have to sell on our S&P 500. That is on our weekly time frame. Now on our daily time frame, you can see I'm seeing here as a retracement. Our price has got here pullback. We're supposed to continue getting a sell position, but it does not. We are seeing here push up. Definitely, I'm still waiting for it. Sell. Possibly break up below it. If it breaks below it, I would advise take your sell position and let's go downward, straight down. But above all, we are watching for a short. We actually be watching to short our position on this our S&P 500 for this week. Now on our 4-hour time frame, we can see as the way we saw on our Nasdaq 100, you can see something like a double top. We're actually seeing a drop. Let's wait. You can wait. Our price breaks below it before you actually take your sell position straight down. And if not, we might actually see our price will come down, touch this area here, giving us another support. Push up, hit our resistance, come down again, push our support. I don't believe our S&P 500 will be breaking above and going up. I don't believe we are still on a downward trend on our S&P 500. That is it. Now let's go on our dear Dow Jones. Now we are on our Dow Jones, by the way. We can see, let's do a quick analysis. We will be going on our weekly time frame. We can see on our weekly time frame, on our 10 period moving average, I want to know red is 10 period, while green is 20 period. You see on our 10 period moving average, we're actually bearish. We can see that price has broken below this area here. It broke below it, and what did it do? It came down to retest it. As you can see, we are actually on a downward trend on our Dow Jones. We are on a downward trend, but our price now came back to retest this our area here. Guess what we are waiting for? We are waiting for on our Dow Jones. We are actually waiting for a fall again, probably to come and give us something like a double bottom, probably to come and give us a double bottom on our weekly time frame. We are actually waiting for a fall on our Dow Jones. That's exactly what we should be waiting for on our Dow Jones. We're actually waiting for a fall for this week. Now on our daily time frame, we can see it is above our 10 period moving average. I don't believe it will go up. It will still, I believe it will fall on it will still fall. That is exactly what I'm watching for. And if in case our Dow Jones pushes up, I want you to know something. If in case it pushes up, then definitely we'll be seeing our reversal movements here. Definitely we'll be seeing our reversal movement. Let me mark it this around about 339. Definitely we'll be seeing our reversal movements around our 339, but we should be seeing a fall this week, coming this week. And if we don't see that fall, then definitely we should see a fall, a bullish move. It is our 340 area here, 340 level. Then we will now see a drop on our Dow Jones for this week. As you can see, our price reacted here. You can see, I think we can take it as a mini resistance. You can see when our price was pushing down, it comes here to retest. We see our key level here. We can see another key level here. Even possibly we can mark it as a key level here. So definitely you should be waiting for a fall. And if in case it pushes up, we get that bullish move, then definitely at this our 340, we will be seeing a fall. So have that in mind on our Dow Jones this week. Our next one we have is our Russell 2000, which is our IWM for this week, by the way. So I am waiting here. Let's see if we will actually have a bullish move. See about our 195 or 193, between 193 and 195. If we can have a bullish move, then we actually now see a fall on our IWM. But let's see, go bullish. This is exactly what I'm trying to aim for on my IWM, which is our resale 2000. Let's see if we can go up, hit our 193 or 950, when 195, sorry, either 193 or 195, then we'll be seeing a drop on our daily time frame on our IWM. Let's see our weekly time frame. By the way, let me mark it, highlight it for you. You can see on our weekly time frame, we still want to be going bullish. As you can see, we are actually dropping on our weekly time frame. You can see a drop, right? We saw as a bearish move, we are seeing a pullback, but we are seeing a pullback. At least these are pullbacks to hit this our area here, where we see a liquidity area here as it has served liquidity area here, liquidity area here. So let's see a push up. Now see correct on our weekly time frame, hit our liquidity area here before we actually now see a fall on our resale 2000, which is about IWM. Next one is our QQQ. We will be seen on our weekly time frame. As you can see, weekly time frame, we're actually dropping, and we're actually now see after a drop, we're actually not getting a retracement. There are two ways this I'm seeing this price will be moving this week. Two ways. Either we actually now see a fall around here, or we actually continue going bullish, and we will get a fall around our 2329. Currently we are around 306. We are at 306. Currently we are at 306. There are two ways that this week our price will be moving. Either we see a fall, or we actually now get a bullish move. When we hit our about 329 or 328 before we actually now see a drop on our QQQ on our weekly time frame. So above all, personally, I'll be planning to short my QQQ. So it depends on where it start giving me the shell. When I get the sell position, so I'll actually take it the sell position. Right now, you can see that our moving average has just crossed over, giving indicating a bullish move. That is why I said if our price possibly pushes up, then we'll be seeing the reversal move around our 328. That is why I'm saying watch out. Let's watch out for this area here where our QQQ can actually be falling. We can actually see that bullish move. It's our 328, 329, and actually get that fall. Or we can actually get this fall right at our 306, but I doubt that. Because I believe our QQQ should actually go bullish a little bit before see a fall. And lastly, our, how do I call it, ARK innovation. So weekly time frame, you can see it on our weekly time frame. You can see let me mark it. We saw a push down, fall, we saw a retracement, then definitely we should be waiting for a fall, right? That is exactly what we should be waiting for a fall. But wait, one thing I want you to know, that there's another key level here we should be waiting for, that if there's every possibility we might be seeing a bullish move before you actually see a fall. We might be seeing a bullish move around about 53. Right now we are at 43. I want you to know we are around 43. We can actually see a bullish move, and a bullish move to our 43 before actually gets a fall on our weekly time frame. So be watching out to get a fall. So we can see on our daily time frame, we can actually get our fall around this our area here where we are. We can actually get a fall, or possibly we can actually wait till our price hit our 53 before we actually now see a fall. So two areas will be seeing a fall. This area key level that I've just marked, which is about 43, or 47. I just marked 47. Let's assume 47 as our area here, and I also marked 53. So two places we can get a fall around this our 47. It pushes up, then we get a fall, or it pushes up, breaks above it, hits this our 53, and have a fall on our ARK innovation. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.